Hey guys, we're going to Walmart to get some more 710. I'm out of 710 on my car. Or it's just really dirty.
Yes.
We found it, the 710. Alright, just a tip. When you're getting your oil filter, open the box. Make sure it's the right one. Sometimes it'll be the wrong one. Or sometimes it won't even have this rubber seal on it. Check your oil filter. Okay, so what you're gonna need is a floor jack, oil, new oil, not old oil filter wrench, or your hand, 14mm ratchet for Toyotas, oil filter, paper towels, and a bucket to catch all the dirty oil in. Yeah. Make sure your e-brake's pulled. It's in neutral. Pop the hood. 710 cap. Jack it up. Don't forget the most important part, the flashlight holder. Take off drain plug bolt. So here's a trick that many people know is right when you're on the edge of your threads on your drain bolt, just put your bucket under, get to the ends, and drop it. Minimum amount of oil all over you. Clean your drain bolt. Okay, then after it's done draining, clean the plug area. Put the plug back in. Get your ratchet. Tighten it on there. You want it to be Guten tight. Next is the oil filter, which is right here. Twist it loose. Get your bucket under. And let it drain for a little bit. Then you take it off the rest of the way after it's done draining. Empty it out. You take your new filter. Wow, that looks different. Same number though. And you can match the seals. So there's oil on them. Or you can take the oil from your bucket. There it is. And then you can just put it on there like that. And then you put your new oil filter on the threads. And once it's on there, just thread it on. Get it tight, but not too tight. That's good. You drop your car. And you put in the new oil. Just come over here. And to get an accurate measurement of how much oil is in your engine, you got to put oil in the oil pump. Let it run for a little bit. Now there's oil in the oil pump. Turn it off. Check your dipstick. It's right there. I gotta bring it all the way up to there. Also check to see if there's any leaks while it's running. And just fill it up the rest of the way. Now we'll check it again, see how much oil's in there. It's up to there. So it's good. We gotta clean up.
I want to be a cowboy, baby.
Scooters.
Jake and I are scootering. Scooter gang. Okay, I've been convinced all I need left on my setup is a toilet right there.
Beautiful.
I would never have to leave the room.
Here, guys, good meme, children.
Oh yeah, and a mini fridge right there with
Right.
snacks.
What?
That's what that's for.
Use your 64 controllers sparingly. No, just like...
That's what it's for. That's it.